Son, you gonna roll it off, son?
Wait till the music starts so I can get hyped.
Son, he is a douchebag.
He's an idiot.
Jean Day, in the building. You know, cooling in Austin Hill High School. Yeah. Little Jasmine over there, you know. After school hours, swagging. Oh, hop up on this bitch. Oh.
That is so you. Oh, I gotta introduce it. Posh TV, Oxon Hill High School.
Did you go in here?
6:40 p.m.
Look at these niggas. Look at this Christmas sweater I'm having there.